Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. Find the area of trapezium. The figure is given here. Now we know AB and DC are parallel sides which are given, and non-parallel sides are AD and CB are non-parallel sides. Now in this figure what we can see is the non-parallel sides are 10 centimeter each. Therefore the trapezium is isosceles. Fine, is isosceles. Now, in what happens in isosceles trapezium, why it is important to understand that the trapezium is isosceles? The difference of parallel sides. What will be the difference of parallel sides? 20 minus 12, that is 8 centimeter. This 8 centimeter is distributed on both equally on both the sides, right? That means let it be E and let it be F. That means AE is equal to FB. You can draw it and show it to your teacher. AE is equal to FB. The difference of the parallel side, that is 8 centimeter, is distributed equally on both the sides. This you have to understand and keep it in mind. That is AE is equal to FB. So what will be AE and FB? AE plus FB, AE plus FB is 8. So AE is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. And FB is also 4 centimeter. So this is a rule of an isosceles triangle, that the difference of the parallel side is distributed equally on both the leftover sides. Fine. So now using Pythagoras theorem, what we will use? Pythagoras theorem to find the height. So height is making a 90 degree on from one vertex to on the side of the parallel side, right? So using Pythagoras theorem, 10 square is equal to 4 square plus h square, right? This is 4. So 10 square is equal to 4 square plus h square. So h square is 10 square minus 4 square, that is 100, minus 4 4s are 16, h square, right? So h is square root of 84. H square is 84, so h is square root of 84. So what is h? Now 84, I'll show you how to find the square root. Factorize it with the smallest prime number, that is 2. So this is 21. This goes with 3 and 7 and 1. So h is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, right? Now this will be made into pair, and 3 and 7 cannot be made into pair. So out of 2 which are made in pair, we take one number for the square root, and the other numbers which are not in pair, that is 7 3s are 21, is under the square root. So this is your h, value of h. Now we know area of trapezium. What is area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides into distance between them, or height, anything you can call them. Fine. So half sum of parallel side is 20 plus 12 into distance is the height which we found out. So this is half into 32 into 2 into root 21. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This is 32 into root 21. Fine. So 32 into root 21 will come out. This you can leave it like this also. And if you want, you can find the square root of 21 and multiply it, which will come out as 146.6 centimeter square. So only in this, what you have to keep in mind, you have to see the figure and understand it is an isosceles trapezium. So in isosceles trapezium, the difference between the parallel side is distributed equally on both the sides.